So you were very angry with Paul last night?
Yeah, of course. I'm done now, Paul. Want to come and take a look?
Penny! That doesn't even look like me. Who is that monstrosity?
What do you mean it doesn't look like you? I think it's perfect.
That's the worst painting I've ever seen.
How are you and Paul the night he died?
Very good. He just doesn't like my cooking.
Did you know Paul didn't like lettuce?
No.
Cookie, that cheese and lettuce sandwich you gave me was absolutely awful.
I told you not to lettuce in your sandwich.
Lettuce? I hate lettuce.